In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the issue with Amazon's one-time password, also known as OTP, not being received. If you're having trouble accessing your Amazon account because you're not receiving your OTP, don't worry, I'll guide you through a series of steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, make sure you're on the Amazon website by navigating to www.amazon.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to locate and click on the Sign In option, usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking on Sign In will take you to a page where you're prompted to enter your email address. After doing so, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password on the following page. After entering your password, simply click Sign In. If you've successfully signed in, you should be on your Amazon homepage. At the top of the page, you'll find the Account and Lists menu. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, select Login and Security to access your account settings. At this point, you may be asked to enter your password again for verification purposes. Once you've done that, click Sign In once more to proceed. Now we want to ensure your primary mobile number is correctly listed. Navigate to the Your Account section and locate where your primary mobile number is displayed. It's vital that this number is current and accurate. This is where the OTP will be sent. If you still haven't received the OTP, don't fret. You'll have an option to resend the OTP from the verification screen, which can sometimes resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check your phone to make sure your inbox has enough space to receive new messages, as a full inbox might prevent the OTP from arriving. Restarting your phone is another step you can take, as it can often clear temporary glitches that might be affecting message receipt. Additionally, it's worth checking your phone or any third-party apps to ensure Amazon's number isn't accidentally blocked, which would prevent any messages from being delivered. Should you find you still can't receive your OTP, an alternative sign-in process is available. This involves combining your password with your security code to log in. If none of these steps resolve the issue, your best course of action would be to reach out to Amazon customer service for additional support. They can provide further assistance and potentially identify account-specific issues. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to solving the Amazon OTP problem and ensuring you regain access to your account. Remember that patience and thorough troubleshooting can often resolve these technical hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay connected with your Amazon account.